Welcome to 1360 Shadowbrook Terrace, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1903 square foot home in the gated community of Shadowbrook Terrace. Come, have a look with me. Walk into an interior that is greeted with marble tile flooring. Open floor plan with living room with wood vinyl flooring. Convenient downstairs powder room with pedestal sink. Living room that opens into a dining area that opens into a kitchen with breakfast bar. Glass sliding door to a private paved backyard. Spacious kitchen with white cabinetry and granite countertop with an eating area. Private yard. Upstairs, large laundry area with storage. Hallway bathroom with a tub and shower. Primary bedroom with vaulted ceilings and a newly replaced carpet. Ensuite bathroom with dual sinks, separate shower and tub. HOA swimming pool. If you would like more information about this property or view it in person, feel free